is Katrina and I'm a third secretary. There's no average day when you're on posting. As Deputy Head of Mission, I have a wide range of responsibilities such as cultural promotion, economic promotion, political reporting. I also oversee our citizen services and our administrative and governance procedures here at the consulate. So every day I wake up in the morning and I'm doing something different. In college, I studied biblical and theological studies at Trinity College and subsequently journalism and media communications at Griffith College, Dublin. Subsequent to that, I moved to Argentina for a year to work as a content creator in a website. After that, I decided I really wanted to travel and decided to come to Asia to teach English. When I returned to Ireland in 2016, I decided to join the public sector because I knew of the great opportunities that were there. It had been on my radar to work in the Department of Foreign Affairs, but that's not really quite how civil service positions work. First of all, I worked for the Public Appointment Service and I was lucky enough to be promoted to another grade and subsequently ended up in the Department of Foreign Affairs. A third secretary is the entry grade to a diplomatic career. As a third secretary in headquarters, you can do a multitude of things from working in a policy or a regional desk, to working in the passport office, to supporting operations in sections such as protocol or press. Abroad, you're often, like myself, a deputy head of mission or as part of a larger embassy or consulate. It's easy to see the value and impact immediately when you're working in a mission abroad for Ireland. You're often assisting citizens who can be in distress, and also with happy things like passports for babies to go see their grannies. So it's very easy to see that impact. We also see the impact that we can have in promoting Ireland when that translates into businesses opening in Ireland or international students coming to Ireland, and of course, tourists who find out about Ireland through our promotions. There's a lot of scope for progression and promotion. I myself have been in the civil service for 5 years and I've been promoted 3 different times. I've also, in that 5 years, worked in 7 different areas, which is an amazing feat for any career. I'm really lucky, and one thing that I was excited about when I knew I was coming to Hong Kong was that I get to pursue my main hobby, which is hiking. A lot of people are really surprised that Hong Kong has amazing hiking trails. It also has hundreds of outlying islands where you can go to the beach and eat seafood. Speaking of food, Hong Kong also has an amazing food scene. I think one of my most memorable days working in Hong Kong was recently when I got to read Dubliners to a group of Hong Kongers at the Hong Kong Book Fair. It was very intimidating, and I even spoke a little bit of Cantonese to try to connect with the audience, and it's always a pleasure to bring something so Irish to a Hong Kong audience. I would recommend a career in the public sector to everyone. I work with such a great, diverse group of people, and the civil service is becoming an employer of choice. So I would highly recommend for opportunity and job satisfaction. The easiest way to find out more about the public sector is to go to publicjobs.ie, register an account so that you can apply for these jobs. And then every step of the way on publicjobs.ie, you're able to find help and assistance to make your application and the process of selection really easy.